Okay, so here's little Olivia. She's just over 3 months now, and I'm just about to give her adjustment. So we check her every now and again. Sometimes she doesn't need treatment, but sometimes she does need a little bit of help. Because she had a little bit of a traumatic birth, didn't you? She's caused a few issues with your neck and the back of your skull. Should we help you out with that? So let's see what's going on with your neck first. Yeah, you chatting? Yeah, so it's a little bit tight, top right of her neck, which it tends to be with her. Because during the contractions, her head got into quite an awkward position, which caused a lot of tightness in the top of her neck. So I'm just going to really gently just release that off. There's very little pressure used with it, isn't there? Yeah, I think you quite like it. Little baby massage. So it's a very gentle pressure, just almost like an unwinding of the tension. It's starting to release already in there. You normally like your treatments, don't you? Sometimes you get a little bit grizzly. Just a little bit more. Good girl. And often when you get the release of the tension, they start moving and wriggling with the treatment, which is a sign that things are released, which is nice. We'll move on to the next spot. We'll feel low down in your neck. Feels pretty good today. So we feel the rest of her cranial bearings. They're just coming onto the sphenoid. And that's a little bit tight on the right, so we'll just release that off. You're doing so well, I know. Good, and that's released really easily. I'm just going to come round and check her pelvis and sacrum. You are such a good girl. And this time it's a little bit tight on the left hand side, so again, you're not going to be able to see what's going on here, but just using a little bit of pressure around the back of her pelvis just to release off the tension. Does that feel good? Starting to release now. There we go. Just check the front of the hips for any tension and just commute to the top of her tummy. Olivia often gets a little bit of tension just at the top of her tummy here because you get a little bit of reflux, don't you, sometimes? Release that off. There we go, and that's released. We're just finished by checking the rest of the spine. Tight in the mid-back, not too bad there, so just going to give you a hug and a little release in the mid-back. All done.